Once again, we're here with riveting news.
Rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
I wasn't going to make a video about this because I don't find it interesting at all, but due to popular demand and request, here we are. Even today in my live stream, I said it's probably just a pile of idiots flying around with drones being dumb, because no company would do this. It would be bad for business. It's not China. It's not like some foreign war people, because if it was some war people or military things, they wouldn't, hey, look at me, I'm here in the middle of everywhere. Like, it's just you would totally be losing your element of surprise. So I'm just like, it's not a business, because it'd just be stupid. It's not the military. I'm telling you, it's a couple of idiots with their drones. And sure enough, I'm subscribed to drone camps. I am. I don't know why, because I never watched their videos, but I decided to anyways. And I just find it so funny because it's like, here, when we look at the description, we say 2 men arrested, breaking news and commentary by Justin Davis of drone camps. What commentary? There's no commentary. He just ripped off the news story, put his little stamp here that says dronecamps.com, and just plays the whole news. No commentary or nothing. So this is what commentary is. I'm not even going to play the thing. And what did they do? They found a couple guys on an island flying stupid drones, just like I thought. And the reason I didn't want to make content about this, because it's like, how does it affect the FPV community? Oh, now we're going to have state-of-the-art drone detectors, which, yeah, see, idiots doing stupid things. I don't know if I do stupid things with drones. Some people could think what I do is stupid. I try not to take myself too seriously, but like, look at this, dronecamps.com. Just put your little stamp on top of the news. I think that's pretty funny. I find that more entertaining than this whole situation. And hearing people saying like there's people flying around in like man drones that are flying with a full man inside, like the Jetson things. It's like, no, it looks like a stupid like toy drone, like those big Phantom drones or like DJI drones or whatever. That just, and yeah, a couple idiots on an island, and one of them ran away with the boat. So it's pretty funny. What do you think about all this? Do you agree? Do you think there's some sort of conspiracy? Do you think aliens are coming to spy on us? I just think this is a waste of time. You just wasted your time. But at least I hope you found it entertaining.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it!
Go look at some of my videos.
Yes, you
okay?
can! Just
Here's a
do
playlist
it!
full of FPV stories if you want more actual drone entertainment instead of wasting your time on dumb stuff like this.